In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to download and install League of Legends on your MacBook. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser and just type in League of Legends. So it will just be this top link here, leagueoflegends.com. So once you click the link, you'll be taken to the home page. What we're going to do now is press play for free. So now you'll need to create a Riot account if you don't already have one. So once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to this screen. Now we're going to press download Mac installer. And as you can see in the top right corner in our downloads tab, it is now downloading. Once it's finished downloading, open it up. And now open up install League of Legends. Press open. And now press install. So just give it some time and the Riot launcher will eventually open. And here you just need to sign back into the Riot Games account that you just made. Now just accept the T's and C's, and now you can download League of Legends. So what we'll do is we will press install, and then we will press install again. So now the game's going to be updating. This will take some time, but after an hour's wait we're finally fully installed and we can press play. Now you need to make a Riot ID. This is to help you find your friends. Now press play again. Make sure you're in the right region and you have the right language, and press OK. So just press play one more time, let it verify and do its thing. And now you need to go into apps, and there it is, League of Legends. So now we're finally in. We just need to tick some boxes to make sure we're following the community guidelines. So now we're in, we've got a nice little tutorial to do, or we can just press this little arrow in the bottom right hand corner just to skip it. And there you are. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.